Good morning from Mâcon Ville, France. Welcome back to the channel. It's now 4 a.m. I have just finished work. I'm going back home. I'm working night shift from 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. every day. Guess what? I don't rest at all because once home I have to take care of my little baby who is 10 months now, 10 month old, as my wife is working in the morning from 7 a.m. So you're probably sleeping right now, but myself, I'm not sleeping. I have just finished work. I'm living on the 4th floor without elevator. So I've just arrived. I have a big announcement to tell you. From today, I'm starting daily vlogs in this channel because I've decided to take the channel into the next level. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing and make sure you come back every day to watch my daily vlogs. I'm just a village boy who dared to dream. I have a dream. I have moved to France for a dream, and my dream is to see the world, to travel the world, discover new places. I'm finally home sweet home. There is no better place than home sweet home. You know what? I'm going to try to find something to eat in this kitchen and wait for my baby to wake up. Hey, it's 6 a.m. Baby is awake. He's hungry. I have to prepare something for him. Oh, I have prepared everything in advance. Hi, hey baby. Hello, say hello, Dada. I really feel sleepy, but no choice. I cannot sleep as baby is awake. It's not good. I have to stay awake and play with him. Cannot complain, I'm so happy. So this is what he is drinking. Bledile. It's so expensive. They didn't tell me that milk costs a lot of money. I'm gonna go broke because of milk, baby milk. Yay, I'm coming. When I arrive at 4 a.m., I eat my breakfast, take a shower, and pray until 6. Because from 5 to 6 I don't feel sleepy at all. So normally he wakes up at 6. Oh, how many spoons I have put? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So normally at 6 I don't feel sleepy. It's around 7 to 8 a.m. that I start to feel sleepy. So baby, he just wake up at 6 in the morning every day. So I prepare his milk, I feed him, he plays from 6 to 7 or to 8, like something like this. He gets tired and he sleeps. And when baby sleep, that's when I take the opportunity to sleep. I used to tell myself, will I be a good dad? Can I prepare meal? Can I change baby diapers? If you practice, then you will become perfect. Oh, he's hungry. Stay until the end because we're gonna go downtown. So it's gonna be an opportunity for you to discover downtown Mâcon. This city is called Mâcon. But let me take him. Come on. My little baby. My little baby. Are you hungry? He doesn't wanna eat. Yes. You don't wanna eat? Sometimes, you have to be patient with babies because sometimes they just want to test you. So just make sure you are patient with them. Sometimes you have to try 2 times, 3 times, 10 times because they're hungry, but they just want to test you. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Diana, strumming on the old banjo. Diana, won't you blow? Diana, won't you blow? If you are a dad, you have to be creative. You have to learn how to sing. Even if you don't know how to sing, you just sing. Baby doesn't care. He just want to hear your voice. It will calm him. It will make him happy. It will make him sleep. He's sleeping, so I'm going to put him on the bed. I hope he will sleep so that I can sleep too. Yes, you are handsome. No, 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 don't take this out. No, 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 no. We are going out. You have to wear this. Here we go. Baby is very happy. I'm going to try to not miss the bus because you want to go downtown. We are living in what we call a difficult neighborhood. They are building a new stadium here, as you can see. The new stadium they are trying to build. Oh, the bus is coming. We are very lucky, the bus is coming. Here it is. Let's go, let's go. Regarde comment il tient. Hey. Here we are, downtown. Mâcon Ville is a small and peaceful town in eastern France. It's calm, quiet, and full of charm. We are going to the bank to withdraw some cash. There is the bank. Fun fact, this is the hometown of football star Antoine Griezmann. His family still lives here, and they even run a restaurant and a football academy in town. The kind of place where life moves slowly and peacefully. Right now, I'm at the bus stop in downtown Mâcon, waiting for the bus that will take us back to our neighborhood. Public transportation isn't very frequent here. We've been waiting about 30 minutes, but honestly, in a place this calm, even waiting feels relaxed. My baby isn't really used to going out or seeing a lot of people. But starting today, that's going to change. I'm a traveler. I love adventure, and I want to pass that mindset on to him. So from now on, we're going for a walk every day, one step at a time, preparing for the journey ahead. Now we're back in our neighborhood, heading to Leclerc, the only supermarket around here. We are going to do some shoppings. He's sleeping. Look at him. He's sleeping. Hey guys, now we are back home. Baby is playing. He has been sleeping the entire the entire tour. Being a foreign dad abroad is not easy. He has energy. So I thought we are going for a walk so that he will get tired. And when back home he will be sleeping, but no way. Now he just ate. He has a lot of energy. So no time for me to rest. So we are waiting for her mother to come so that I will get some sleep because I will go to work at night. Baby, sleep. Go to sleep. Say baby. Say daddy. 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 Yes, it's not easy, but it's worth it. It's worth it. That was one of my dreams, having babies. So instead of sending him to the kindergarten, now we don't have a place. We don't have a place yet, but it's not a problem because I really enjoy taking care of him. And I'm very afraid of the kindergarten because I hear a lot of stories about kindergarten here in France. Sometimes they don't take good care of the baby. So I don't want my baby to go there and suffer. This is why I prefer to work at night so that I will have the entire morning to take care of my baby myself. We play a lot together. I'm teaching him English because I want him to speak English. I want him to speak English because I believe when you can speak English, you have a lot of opportunities. So it's not common to have children speaking English in France. Children here don't speak English, they only speak French. But I want mine to be multilingual baby. I want him to speak many languages, especially English. So the fact that I'm working at night, I have the entire day with my baby. It's true I don't rest, but it's worth it because I play with him. He sees his daddy every day. He's happy. He's growing happy, which is the most important. I don't care if I don't sleep. If my baby can enjoy, if my baby is happy, that's the most important for me. Thank you for watching. Make sure you come back every day to watch my vlogs. And by the way, let me know if you love my new look. Look, I'm getting old, so I will have a bald very soon. So let me know if you like my new look. Thank you and goodbye. See you tomorrow.